They say, if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning. Too far? Fine. This is me, Harleen Quinzel. When I was a kid, my dad traded me for a six-pack of beer. But however many times he tried to ditch me, I kept coming back. Eventually, he found me a new home. The Good Sisters of St. Bernadette's taught me a lot. But I was never an establishment kind of gal. All things considered, I did good. I even went to college, got my PhD. Had my heart broken once or twice. Finding love, it's not easy. So I threw myself into my work, became a psychiatrist. That's when I met him, Mr. J, my Joker. Oh, I fell hard. Like, out of a plane without a parachute right in your dumb fucking face kind of hard. I lost all sense of who I was. I only had eyes for pudding. We all know the saying, behind every successful man, there's a badass broad. Well, that was me. I was the brains behind some of Mr. J's greatest stunts. Not that he let anyone know it. I guess all good things have to come to an end. So, we broke up. I handled it real mature, but Mr. J was super broke up about it. I got an amazing new place that was all mine. It gave me the space to really reflect on the mistakes of my past. I had to find a new identity. A new me. It wasn't easy, but after a while, I even opened myself up to the possibility of new love. Here's the thing about new love.
I take payment in kind.
You have to feed it. Soon enough, I was back on my feet, ready to move on, to make new friends. With me! It was time for Gotham to meet the new Harley Quinn. So I really put myself out there.
God damn it! Sit the fuck down.
What?
I said, sit your skinny ass down, you dumb slut.
Okay.
You broke my fucking legs!
Oh, boo-hoo. What?
It's not a party without a little drama, am I right? Come on, turn it up. Shots on the house.
Don't call me dumb. I have a PhD, motherfucker.
Miss Quinn,
Romy.
that was my driver.
Oh, whoops.
Well, I'm sure it was his fault. Consider him fired.
Consider me grateful, especially since I know you don't like me. I agitate his already delicate sense of mental equilibrium, Dad, and his obsessive-compulsive need to be the center of attention.
Will your paramour be joining us this evening?
Not tonight, Romy. Not tonight.
Well, enjoy yourself, Miss Quinn, and do give the Joker my best.
Okay, fine, so I hadn't told people about the breakup, but you don't understand.
Find me a new driver.
Being Joker's girl gave me immunity. I could do whatever I wanted to whoever I wanted, and no one ever dared to object. Don't blame me, okay? You have to stick up for yourself because you... Even when I did try and tell people, they didn't believe me.
She told me they're really broken up this time.
Sure they are, Shell. That's why she's still wearing that tacky J necklace. She is going to be running right back into his arms the minute he snaps his fingers. If not him, the next closest alpha male with a pulse. Some people just aren't born to stand on their own.
Oh, girl, let's drink. Come on.
I knew I needed to find some way to show the world that I'd cut ties with Mr. J for good.
Harley!
Some people have the Eiffel Tower or Olive Garden. The Joker and I, our love bloomed in a highly toxic industrial processing plant. And luckily for me, I have all my best ideas drunk.
I have the best idea.
Like a lit cigarette, took my last breath, like a smoke from my lips. I've lied for you, and I liked it too. My knees are bruised from kneeling to you. I've had enough, but you're too hard to quit. We've had our fun, now your sugar makes me sick.
This is where it all began, Puddin'.
You motherfucker!
And now I'm laughing through my tears. I'm crying through my fear. But baby, if I had to choose, the joke's on you. The joke's on you.
It was the closure I needed. A fresh start. A chance to be my own woman.
Goodness, I've tried to be kind, but I won't just lay down and die, wearing a face mask.
But I wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation. This is our story. And I'm telling it, so I'll start where I fucking want. Meet the cop.
Guy 50 says it was turf war.
Not him.
Well, as always, you're wrong, Monroe.
Her. Renee Montoya. Raised on 80s cop shows, she's always saying cheesy shit like,
There was only one shooter. Inside. This guy shot out the glass. Serrano. Yo, hey! Have ballistics check for a bullet in one of those parked cars.
10 years ago, she broke a career making case.
Did I stutter?
But her partner at the time took all the credit. So while he made captain, she got stuck at detective level with this idiot.
Okay, you think one guy got all four?
Wait, wait, shh.
I'm just saying we got 4 dead bodies here, you know, one guy.
I'm trying
bullet
to
holes.
work.
I'm sorry.